I like that. Turn it up, ayy, ayy. Sekh Amethyst, Sekh Amethyst. Can you handle this? Angry black woman, help. Ayy, ayy, yeah. I'm angry, and it's okay. Don't like it? Get out my face. SCKH, y'all changed my name to Sekh Amethyst. I'm a goddess. Do you know it? Don't act like I don't show it. Mitochondrial DNA. You better get out my face, telling me I'm inferior, but my genes prove I'm superior. Don't like it? Oh well. The truth is are in a veil, so the black woman sells. I stare as a red bell. I am heaven, I am earth. I'm the universe giving birth. I'm not a curse, I'm sacred. Tell me now, are you awakened? I'm an angry black woman. I'm an angry black woman. I'm an angry black goddess. I'm an angry black goddess. I'm an angry black woman. I'm an angry black goddess. I'm an angry black queen. I'm an angry black woman. Whoa. I'm an angry black woman. I'm an angry black woman. I know what I'm gonna do. I'ma get a gun and blow too. You can come in and shoot my mind. Come and gon' get what you got. Gotta feed my people, yes sir. Acting like this is a blur. And it's not okay. We get shot almost every damn day. No justice, no peace. Pull the trigger and release. Ain't no turning the other cheek. They already think we weak. Economically, politically, and socially. So what it's gonna be? It's about black unity. I'm an angry black woman. I'm an angry black woman. I'm an angry black queen, yep. I'm an angry black queen. I'm an angry black woman. I'm an angry black goddess. I'm an angry black queen. I'm an angry black woman. Hey. I'm an angry black woman. I'm an angry black woman. I'm strong except people hate that, but I don't give a damn cause I fight back. Get nervous when I pull up the carry. I know what makes you scary. Looking at sisters move. Make sure we got something to lose. Looking like a damn weak fool. Trying to pull from my gene pool. Even though see color, it's a problem. Oh look, Babylon has fallen. We don't have no reparations. No compensation. Tell me why we still waiting. The system is manipulating. Wasn't even built for us. It never will be meant for us. I'm an angry black woman. 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 I'm an angry black goddess. I'm an angry black queen. I'm an angry black woman. Hey, I'm an angry black woman. I'm an angry black woman. Black girl magic, black girl magic. Her spirit is galactic. Her words are so enchanted. And her love is everlasting. Black girl magic, black girl magic. Her spirit is galactic. Her words are so enchanting. And her love is everlasting. Angry
black woman.